All right, prime time. Here's the video to randomize our regions for tomorrow night's Ultimate Platinum Jersey number 2 break. We'll check the time here is January 29th at 11:18 p.m. We'll go over to the break and type live. And we have January 29th at 11:18 p.m. Here are our 30 regions. We're going to randomize the regions and then match them back to our entry list. And that'll determine who's got what regions for tomorrow night's break. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There we go. So we'll get the list posted here. You guys can trade regions only until tomorrow night. Not individual teams, regions only. And we'll see you then.